All right. Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to go back to an old favorite here, real quick. I'm looking at NVDA as a stock. Now, they report earnings on the 22nd. That's next week. So you got to watch. You got to make sure you don't get too enthused here and say, oh, well, I'm buying now because I know they're going to blow the doors off. Well, first of all, you don't know that. So, try to calm down a little bit. You don't. But I'm talking about just the next week or so between now and the 22nd, which is 7 days away. That's next Wednesday at the close. I think the stock can really start to run as traders anticipate a strong earnings report here. And if you look at the semis, the semiconductors, the index, same chart. They're all looking pretty good too. AMD is even starting to perk up a bit. Micron, which is on our active trade list, is working. Broadcom, which is also on our ATI active trade idea list, is working. So all of these stocks are working. In fact, frankly, I wouldn't even have to go back to NVIDIA. This thing's working. Buy it now. There, you can thank me later. Seriously, like these stocks are working. But getting back to NVIDIA, this is the big dog. This is the one that everybody cares about. I think you should care about more than this, but you should definitely care about this. This is a stock after several days of consolidation here, almost 2 weeks, we get a breakout. Now, note the volume. Okay, this is a 50-day moving average here. This is all low volume, really light volume stuff here, which is actually a good thing. It's a bullish thing if the stock revolves to the upside, which it does. It's resolving to the upside. So you could say, okay, well, this sideways consolidation is a good thing. Okay, that's right. But only if it is followed by a high volume day. That's what we got to see. Like, we got to see a volume of higher volume day, one that beats the average and is accompanied by, again, another move higher. Now, the ultimate high on this was 974. The way this thing is trading, I mean, it went up 32 bucks today, almost 33 bucks today. It could pretty easily hit an all-time high even tomorrow. So my suggestion would be decide how you want to trade NVIDIA if you want to trade it. I've owned it, as I think a lot of you have. I've owned it for a long time. It's not really a stock that I would be trading right now, but you can. If you got your if you got your wallet taken or your ass handed to you by GameStop or AMC, first of all, shame on you, because I just told you a couple days ago that this was going to happen. And the whole idea is to sell into strength, because once the stock rolls over, you ain't going to get out. It's not going to let you out. It's kind of like George Clooney and Mark Wahlberg in The Perfect Storm. Hope springs eternal until the boat capsizes. So NVIDIA, I don't think that's going to happen. I think you're good here. So that's all I have to say about that. Members, go to the active trades today. I'm covering all of them along with a few others, such as MicroStrategy, starting to get a little perky. Don't short this. Don't be an idiot. Be long this and Bitcoin. Then it's like the Doublemint twins. You get double your fun. That's all I have to say about that. I'm out of here.